Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Realme C3 smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can use assistive ball option in your phone Realme C3. First of all, in your phone, go to the settings. Click here for settings. Now click on convenience tools. Click on assistive ball and turn on the button against assistive ball. If you tap on assistive ball, it will act like back button. If you double tap on the assistive ball, it will show the recent tabs. If you press and hold the assistive ball, then home screen will be displayed. So in this way, you can easily use navigation gestures using assistive ball. There are also other options in assistive ball. Go to the settings again and click on convenience tools. Click on assistive ball and click on tap menu. So menu will appear like this. See here, 5 menu appears, and here you can take a screenshot and you can use recent tabs, that is background apps, and to lock your screen. So you can use all functions using these shortcuts. So this is tap menu on the assistive ball. Just tapping on the assistive ball will give menu. So that is called tap menu. You can also customize tap menu in your phone. For that, go to the settings and click on convenience tools. Click on assistive ball, and here you can add any other functions, like see here you can remove anyone and you can add any other. Just click anyone, and instead of back button you can use other options, 100 mode. So in the back button place, 100 mode will replace. In this way, you can also customize assistive menu option. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.